No more gambling, just systematic upgrading. Find the purple line support, that's a discount, kid. Paying all your monthly bills, that's the knowledge I give.
Kscp. So guys, if you guys like high risk, high reward, look at Kscp right now. Remember what I'm about to say right now. Knightscope, in a bear market, it just crashes, right? It just keeps going down. It looks ugly. It just doesn't recover. It doesn't do much of anything. It just keeps going down. You can see that very clearly on the chart. It just keeps going lower and lower. But that's in a bear market. In a bull market, Knightscope goes sideways. And that's a good thing, because you can see here it went sideways here from April 24, 2025 all the way to October 29, 2025, right? So it can go sideways in a bull run. Once the bull run ended in October, then it just kept tanking lower. But in a bull run, the point I'm trying to make is in a bull run, it just holds sideways action. Meaning right now is like the perfect time to buy Knightscope. Like I don't know what Zip Trader you was smoking. I don't know what he's been huffing and puffing, but you know, he was alerting this at like $5-7, and I'm like, what the hell is wrong with this guy? Like he needs like a technical analyst or something. He needs someone to look at charts on top of his. He has good fundamentals, but his technicals are just terrible. Like his timing is just off by a significant amount, because he was making several videos about Knightscope at $7 and $5, and I'm like, what the hell is this wrong with this guy? Like, we don't know where this is gonna bottom. Let's wait for the bottom and then let's start buying. So I think this is a buy here with a stop loss at the low of today, right? This is holding up very well here at 330s. I would set a stop loss at I might buy this tomorrow. Yeah, I would set a stop loss at 3.25, and yeah, 1,000 shares, and I mean, jeez. Right, look at the risk to reward here on this. So yeah, Zip Trader U needs like some kind of technical analyst or something. But yeah, that's a 30% move. Yeah, that's a 30% move. Holy crap. So yeah, take advantage of this. In a bull market, this thing goes sideways, so just take advantage of the patterns. Buy low, sell high, classic. Look at that. You can't really screw this up. Of course, that stop loss is important in case it does break down and go lower. So there you go. I just gave you the facts, and I'm telling you this is a buy here with a stop loss. Zip Trader U was telling people to buy at 5.7s, and I'm like, I don't know what he's been. I think I don't know what he's been smoking. He used to make some really good videos. Now his videos have been kind of They've been kind of not the greatest, not the worst, but I think what I've noticed about Zip Trader U is that in a bear market, he kind of goes downhill. Like he kind of like he doesn't have good timing, so in a bear market he looks terrible, right? He just doesn't like he looks horrible. He was telling people to buy BBAI at $7, and I was telling people like not to buy, because it's like, what the hell no, it's a bear market, let it come down. I was telling people it can come down to 3s and 4s, so just wait, don't buy at 7. So his timing is just not very good, is what I've noticed. In a bear market, he really like looks terrible. He just looks like the worst investor trader in the world. But in a bull market, he looks like a genius. So maybe he should just stick to making videos in a bull market, is what I'm thinking. But enough ragging on him. Knightscope is a buy.